Hi, David. I came to check on you. How are you feeling now?
Oh, Emma, to be honest, I feel terrible. I think this cold is getting worse.
You don't look well at all. Your face is pale. What are your symptoms?
I have a really sore throat. It hurts to swallow. And my nose is so stuffy, I can hardly breathe.
It sounds like a nasty cold. Are you feeling weak? Have you eaten anything today?
I feel very weak, like I have no energy at all. And no, I haven't eaten a thing. I just have no appetite.
You have no appetite at all? Not even for something small?
No, the thought of food just doesn't sound good to me right now. My stomach feels a little strange, too.
I understand. It's normal to lose your appetite when you are sick, but you need to try to eat a little something.
I know, but I don't know what I could possibly eat. Everything seems like it would be too much for me right now.
Don't worry about that. We can figure it out together. The most important thing is to find something that is gentle and gives you some strength.
I just don't feel hungry. Why is it so important to eat if my body doesn't want food?
That's a good question. Even if you don't feel hungry, your body is working very hard right now to fight off this cold.
It is. It just feels like my body has stopped working completely.
No, it's working overtime. And that hard work requires energy. The energy to get better comes from food.
I see. So even a small amount of food can help my body fight the sickness.
Exactly. You don't need to eat a big meal. Just a little something can make a big difference. It will also help you from feeling so weak.
That makes sense. I really do feel very weak and dizzy when I stand up.
And just as important as eating is drinking. You need to stay hydrated. Are you drinking enough water?
I had a glass of water this morning, but not much since then.
You need to drink much more than that. Being hydrated helps your body with everything. It can even help with your sore throat.
Okay, I will try. So I need to eat a little and drink a lot.
Yes, let's start with some ideas for food. We will find something that sounds good to you. The first thing I always think of when someone is sick is soup. What do you think about a nice, warm bowl of soup?
Soup? What kind of soup are you thinking of?
Well, the classic choice for a cold is chicken noodle soup. My grandmother always used to make it for me.
I have heard that chicken noodle soup is good for you when you're sick. Why is that?
I think there are a few reasons. First, the warm broth is very soothing for a sore throat. It can help reduce the pain.
That sounds really nice. My throat hurts a lot right now.
And because it's a liquid, it's easy to swallow. You don't have to chew very much, which is good when you have no energy.
That's true. Chewing sounds like hard work right now.
The soup also has some nice vegetables, soft noodles, and chicken for a little bit of protein. It's a gentle meal with a lot of good things in it.
A warm bowl of soup does sound comforting. It feels like a hug in a bowl.
It really is. So, is that a maybe? Should we consider chicken noodle soup as an option?
Yes, let's keep it on the list. It's a strong possibility. I think I could maybe handle some soup.
Okay, so soup is one option. Another idea is to eat something very simple and bland.
What do you mean by bland food? Food with no flavor?
Well, not exactly no flavor, but food that is very gentle on your stomach. Sometimes when you're sick, your stomach can be sensitive.
Yes, I did say my stomach felt a little strange earlier. So, what kind of food is considered bland?
Things like plain toast or simple crackers. They are very easy to digest.
Just dry toast with nothing on it?
Yes, or maybe with a tiny bit of butter if you feel up to it, but nothing strong like jam or peanut butter. We just want something simple to put in your stomach.
I'm not sure about that. Toast sounds very dry, especially with my sore throat. It might be hard to swallow.
That is a very good point. Maybe toast isn't the best idea if your throat is the main problem.
What about the crackers? Are you talking about saltine crackers?
Yes, exactly. They are light and crispy. Sometimes people have them with soup. You could dip them in the soup to make them softer.
Dipping crackers in the soup. That actually sounds pretty good. It would add a little texture.
See, it's a good combination. So we can think about soup with some saltine crackers on the side. We have some good ideas for a main meal. We should also think about getting some vitamins into your system.
Vitamins? You mean like taking a vitamin pill?
You could do that, but getting vitamins from food is even better. I'm talking about fruit, especially fruits with a lot of vitamin C.
Why is vitamin C so important when you have a cold?
Vitamin C is famous for helping your immune system. Your immune system is what fights off the cold virus. So, more vitamin C can help you get better faster.
That's interesting. So, what fruits have a lot of vitamin C? I know oranges do.
Yes, oranges are a great source. We could peel an orange for you, or we could make some fresh orange juice.
An orange sounds nice and refreshing, but I don't know if I have the energy to eat a whole one.
That's okay. Another great option is a smoothie. We could blend some fruits together with a little yogurt or water.
A smoothie? What would you put in it?
We could use some strawberries and bananas. Bananas are also great because they are soft and easy on the stomach. We could even add a little bit of spinach for extra nutrients. You wouldn't even taste it.
A cold, refreshing smoothie actually sounds really nice. It might feel good on my sore throat.
I think so too. It's an easy way to get a lot of good vitamins without having to eat a big meal.
You mentioned earlier that drinking is very important. What should I be drinking besides water?
Water is always the best choice for hydration, but when you're sick, some other drinks can be really helpful and comforting too.
Like what? I was thinking about having a soda, but I'm not sure if that's a good idea.
I would avoid soda for now. The sugar isn't great for you, and the carbonation might bother your stomach. A much better choice is herbal tea.
I don't drink tea very often. What kind of herbal tea is good for a cold?
There are a few great options. Chamomile tea is very calming and can help you relax and sleep. Peppermint tea can sometimes help with a stuffy nose.
My nose is very stuffy. Maybe I should try peppermint tea.
Another classic choice is ginger tea. Ginger is wonderful because it can help settle an upset stomach.
My stomach does feel a little unsettled, so ginger tea could be a good option.
Yes, and the best part is what we can add to the tea. A little bit of honey and a squeeze of fresh lemon.
Honey and lemon? Why is that good?
The honey is naturally soothing for your sore throat, and the lemon provides a little bit of that vitamin C we were talking about. A warm cup of ginger tea with honey and lemon is one of the best things for a cold.
That sounds wonderful. It sounds both healthy and delicious.
Now that we have a good list of things you should eat and drink, we should also talk about what to avoid.
That's a good idea. I don't want to eat something that will make me feel even worse.
Exactly. The first thing I would recommend avoiding is very spicy food.
Why is that? I normally like spicy food.
I know you do, but when you have a sore throat or an upset stomach, spicy food can make it much more irritated. It's best to stick with mild flavors for now.
Okay, that makes sense. So, no spicy curry for me today. What else should I avoid?
I would also stay away from greasy or fried foods. Things like French fries, fried chicken, or even a greasy burger.
I don't think I would want to eat that anyway. It sounds too heavy.
It is. Those foods are very hard for your body to digest, and your body needs to use its energy to fight the cold, not to digest a heavy meal.
So, no spicy food and no greasy food. Is there anything else?
The last main thing is to avoid too much sugar. So things like candy, cake, and sugary sodas aren't a great idea.
I see. So, the things I should avoid are spicy, greasy, and sugary foods.
That's right. Basically, we want to avoid anything that is too extreme or hard on your body. Simple, gentle, and natural is the best way to go when you're feeling sick. So, David, we have talked about a lot of different options. Soup, crackers, fruit smoothies, and herbal tea.
Yes, and we talked about what foods to avoid, which was also very helpful.
Now it's up to you. Thinking about how you feel right now, what sounds like the best option? What do you think you could eat?
I have been thinking about it while we were talking. I still don't have a big appetite, so I don't want a large meal.
That is completely fine. We can just start with something small.
I think the chicken noodle soup sounds like the best choice for a meal. It's warm and soft, and it sounds very comforting.
I think that's an excellent choice. Do you want to try having some crackers with it, like we discussed?
Yes, I think I would like a few crackers to dip into the soup. That sounds manageable.
Perfect. And what about something to drink? Do you want me to make you a cup of that herbal tea?
The ginger tea with honey and lemon sounded absolutely perfect. I think that would feel amazing on my throat.
Great. So the plan is a small bowl of chicken noodle soup with crackers and a warm cup of ginger tea with honey and lemon.
That sounds like a perfect sick day meal. I actually feel a little bit hungry thinking about it.
I am so glad to hear that you're feeling a little bit hungry. That is a very good sign.
It is? I guess it means my body is ready for some energy.
It certainly is. So now that we have a plan, you just stay here and rest. I will go to the kitchen and prepare everything for you.
Are you sure, Emma? You don't have to do that. I can try to get up and make it myself.
Absolutely not. You are sick and you need to save your strength. You should stay right there on the sofa with your blanket.
But it feels like a lot of work for you, making soup and tea from scratch.
It's no trouble at all. I have a can of good quality chicken noodle soup in the pantry, so it will only take a few minutes to heat up. And the tea is very easy to make.
Well, if you are sure.
I am 100% sure. I enjoy taking care of you. It makes me happy to help you feel better.
Thank you so much, Emma. I really appreciate it. You are the best.
You are very welcome. I will be back in about 10 minutes with your food. Just try to relax while I'm gone.
I will. Thank you again. This is very kind of you.
Okay, David, I am back. I have your lunch ready for you.
Wow, that was fast. It smells absolutely delicious.
I have your warm bowl of chicken noodle soup right here, and a small plate with a few crackers on the side.
Thank you. It looks perfect. Not too much, just the right amount.
And here is your mug of ginger tea with honey and lemon. Be careful, the mug is quite hot.
I will. It smells so good. The smell of the ginger and lemon is already making me feel a little better.
I'm so glad. Now, don't feel like you need to rush. Just eat slowly and take your time. Only eat as much as you feel comfortable with.
I will. I'm going to try a spoonful of the soup first. It's so warm and soothing on my throat. This is perfect.
I'm so happy to hear that. After you finish eating, the best thing you can do is get some rest.
I feel very sleepy, so I think a nap is a great idea.
Good. Eating a little something and then getting a good long sleep is the best medicine. I am sure you will feel much better when you wake up.
Thank you for everything, Emma. For the food, the tea, and for taking such good care of me.